It's time again to cut our girl's feet, and she's not her favorite time of the grooming to do her feet. And we used to do them with scissors, and that was quiet, so she liked it. But now we do them with these shears, and you can see we can set the height here down to pretty much 0, and then when it's on, it barely even makes any noise compared to the rest of the noise in the neighborhood. She doesn't even know it's happening. And it lets me get in here and quickly cut her feet, which they get this hair on it, and it just gets messy. And I don't think she cares about it so much as she just doesn't like somebody touching her feet, and she doesn't like the time it took with the scissors. But look how quickly I was able to get her foot from kind of messy. Let's zoom in on that. Kind of a messy foot here, and with just a couple of moments with the razor, let me get rid of that a little bit. That's how quick we can get her foot to much nicer looking. So she's not a real big fan of having her feet touched, and we really appreciate how quickly this lets us get in here without any kind of issues and clean her paws up so that she's pretty and stays a lot cleaner this way, especially in the winter when there's mud and everything around. These are from Pet Union, and we've really been enjoying it. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. It's really been the best pet shaver that we've used for her feet. Hope this helps.